Hi there, thanks for stopping by. Today, Ryan and I will go through how to use baby trend high chair. We're gonna cover these topics. We did a video on how to assemble baby trend high chair and we got some question on how to use the product as well. So we thought to put together a video and cover those topics. And by the way, if you're interested in the step-to-step assembly guide on how to put this chair together, we also have a video for that. I'll put a link here and I also put the link below in the description. Now let's see how we use the baby high chair. Coming up. You can fold the chair in any of the height positions. If you want to minimize the size, I suggest putting the height in a lower position. Put seat in the most upright position. Take the tray out and put this on the back legs. Honestly, this step is optional. Pull the handles on both sides of the chair. And push the back legs toward the front legs. To unfold, pull the handles and pull the back legs away. Pull the tray back. There's a handle on the front side of the tray. Don't worry about these parts. There are also these tracks that go on the armrest of the high chair. Squeeze the handle before putting the tray on the armrest. There are 3 positions for the tray. Slide the tray in your desired position. Remember to hold on to the handle when you adjust the tray. Let go of the handle to lock the tray. You can take this part of the tray off like this. You can put this back like this. This is very helpful as we can easily take this and wash it. Ryan loves to create a mess when he eats. Oh boy. You have the option of storing the tray on the back leg of the high chair like this. We personally don't use this, but you have the option. So I'm wondering, what do you think of the product? Will you consider getting it? Leave a yes, no, or maybe comment below and let me know. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel. It really makes us happy. Isn't it? Isn't it? Thank you, and you have a good one.